Well, I'm doing a lot of things these days. For example, I'm learning to drive. And I'm taking tennis lessons. I'm also reading a good book. Let's ask some other people what they're doing these days. Ready? Let's go. Go! Long time no see.
Do I know you?
I'm Emmy from Street Talk. Remember?
Emmy. Street Talk. Oh yeah. How's it going?
Good, thanks. So, can I interview you again?
Okay.
Great. So, Bo, today's question is, what are you doing these days?
Me? I'm, studying French.
Ah, vous parlez français aussi?
Oui.
Très bon. Comment vous appelez-vous?
Oui.
Well, Bo, thanks for talking with us. Good luck with your French.
Gracias.
All right, this is Soon Lee from Seoul, South Korea. Hi. So, Soon Lee, what are you doing these days?
Well, I'm studying English here for a month.
That's great, and your English is great.
Oh, thanks. My teachers are excellent, and my American friends help me a lot.
So, you're studying English these days. What else are you doing?
I'm eating in a lot of great restaurants. I love Italian food. And, well, I'm doing a lot of shopping too.
Aha! What's in your bag?
Shoes, handbags, clothes. Oh, and gifts for my family.
Okay, thanks, Sumi. I'm here with Alicia. Alicia, are you doing anything special these days? Yes, I'm getting ready for a trip to Brazil, to Rio de Janeiro. Rio, how exciting! Yes, I'm really busy and very excited. Do you speak Portuguese? No, but I'm studying it now. It's hard, but the class is fun. Okay, are you doing anything else? Yes, I'm exercising a lot, you know, to look good for the beach. I'm running, I'm swimming, and I'm riding my bike to work. Good for you. Well, enjoy your trip. Thanks. Oh, I'm late. I'm taking a dance class. Okay, everybody. See you next time on Street Talk. Goodbye.